Not so long ago, I was just like you. I was struggling to make money online for months and nothing seemed to really work. Eventually, I had to get a 9 to 5 corporate job that I absolutely hated. But then, I've been fortunate enough to find a mentor and I purchased his $1,000 course and I was able to quit that 9 to 5 job within 3 weeks. So that's the power of mentors. Now I'm fortunate enough to travel full time. I call it permanent vacation. I still work, but I love what I do, so it doesn't feel like work. Changing people's lives, making money from a laptop and from anywhere in the world. I'm staying in a little villa in India where I do meditation, yoga, and finding joy in simple things. And I couldn't do this in a 9 to 5 cubicle, right? I had zero free time. If you want to be part of this, if you want to quit that 9 to 5 job, then join the program and you will not only get great mentors, but also one-on-one coaching personally with me. So imagine how that powerful would be if you can have somebody who will keep you accountable and tell you step by step, click by click, what to do for the best results possible. Now, I only have so much time to give one-on-one coaching, right? So you need to act quickly so you can grab your spot before it fills up. And you will also get other cool bonuses, access to my programs that have tens of thousands of students inside. Now, this program works great. That's why I'm promoting it. It has a great community. People are getting results like crazy. It's something that works right now. But that's why I want you to be part of it. So you can start having $1,000 days and start traveling or buy a new house or car. You may not care about traveling or whatever that it is for you. I want you to have it. Okay? So click that link below. It will take you to my page where you can read through the bonuses, see if one-on-one coaching is still available, then join so you don't miss out, so we can start working together. And I'm excited to share everything that I know. Don't wait in a 9 to 5 cubicle, right? The life is short, I'm sure you realize. The world is too big to stay in a corporate cubicle, okay? So click that link now and join so we can start working together. Click it. Click it now. Let's go. I will see you on the other side.